minute. Beautiful Pan America, and my road's right over here. Little 80s throwback or something. Yeah, man, that's cool. I love it. Riding a motorcycle is probably one of the best hobbies that I could ever ask for. Riding actually transcends the term hobby. It's so much more than that. If you ride, then I don't even have to describe it for you. But for the sake of this video, let's see if I can put it into words to help describe this hobby, this experience, this lifestyle to you. When you own a motorcycle, every day can be a new adventure. Wake up early before sunrise, head out on your bike, and there is an endless amount of undiscovered experiences to find. Sure, there are some days you get on the bike, you get caught in a torrential downpour, or maybe it's freezing cold, but each time I ride out alone or to meet friends, I've never regretted it. Oh man, I regret this. It's cold, it's been raining all night, but you know what? I'm not going to complain. I'm going to go to White Lightning. I'm going to meet my friends. We're going to go ride. It's going to be a great day. Let's get out of here. So next stop is going to be White Lightning Harley Davidson. This is going to be the first group ride of the year, and it just happens to be the Polar Bear ride of 2024. Once I rolled into White Lightning, we all said our hellos.
What's going on, bro? How are you, my friend?
And it was great to see that the rain and the cold didn't scare everyone away. Soon it was time to gear up and get the ride started. A polar bear ride brings out an obvious observation. It's cold, and the cold can be uncomfortable. I'm not the type of person who likes to be uncomfortable, and I didn't expect that I would ever pick a hobby that in many ways, uncomfortableness is a requirement. Riding exposes you to the elements and leaves you at the mercy of Mother Nature. Rain, sleet, hail, these situations will be something that the rider will experience if you ride long enough. While the comfort zone is a good place to be, what makes life exciting is being outside of that comfort zone. Riding has a way of pulling you out of your shell and molding you into something else, a better version of yourself. A great deal of my experiences on my motorcycles have been unexpected and mysterious. Part of the excitement is getting to ride and not knowing what I will see, and in some situations, not know where I'm going to end up next. Way up there actually, and I don't know if it's going to happen. I'm going to give it my best shot. I feel the most free when I am riding some unknown country back road on my motorcycle. Only motorcyclists know the feeling of surrender and clarity of thought that comes with the chaos of the open road. Wow, you can feel the heat coming off that thing. It's strange that something that requires every millisecond of your attention also allows us to experience peacefulness and a quiet mind. But all of this can come at a cost. No, I mean a real cost. One of the crazy things about owning a motorcycle that I never anticipated is the crazy amount of money that we spend on these machines. I mean, you buy the motorcycle, that's great, but then what's the first thing you do after that? You change the seat, you change the bars, you change the exhaust. And that is just the tip of the iceberg. And if you're anything like me, there's no way you're going to be satisfied with just that. Most of us just have to keep on going and going, don't we? I mean, here's just a brief example of some of the things I've done to this Road Glide. I've done the paint to match inner fairing, paint to match chin spoiler. I just recently put the paint to match vent cover on this one from Harley Davidson. And then there's custom dynamics LEDs, a new windshield, heated grips, foot pegs, the list goes on and on. Ooh, I forgot about the stereo upgrade that I had put in this one. The louder, the better. Shout out to Volunteer Audio.
These go to 11.
At this point, I've owned 6 or 7 Harley Davidson motorcycles, and I think I've experienced a lifetime of memories on these bikes. I never expected to fall in love with riding the way that I have. I never thought it would become such an integrated part of who I am and what I do. Never really thought of it before, but being a motorcyclist can challenge you in ways that I never expected. Not only can riding open up the road ahead of you, but it can also free you of your past. It allows you to look at yourself realistically, to set your expectations fairly, and as time goes on and you ride more and more, you begin to care just a little less about what everybody else thinks. Riding really has met all of my expectations. I have met some wonderful friends and had some great experiences along the way. Simply put, the open road really is a great place to be.